10 videos, 84,000 subscribers. One video, 5 million views. This channel didn't grind for years. No face, no studio, no expensive gear. And right now, $4,000 to $6,000 every single month. I'm going to show you the exact system: topic, script, visuals, animation, voiceover, editing, thumbnail, everything. But before the steps, there's one thing you have to understand first, because without it, none of the other steps matter. Here's what you actually need: ChatGPT, Google Whisk, Meta AI, CapCut, and 11 Labs. Total cost? Zero. But here's where most people go wrong before they even open ChatGPT. They pick a random topic, build a decent video, and it goes nowhere. Not because the content was bad, because the format was wrong. Right now, YouTube is pushing two specific title formats in this niche harder than anything else. Format 1, Your Life As. Like, your life as every rank inside a royal court full of betrayal. This triggers status curiosity. The viewer wants to live a world they never actually can. Format 2, POV. Like, POV, you run an illegal empire hidden beneath a modern city. First person, present tense. The viewer isn't watching a character, they are the character. Look at Professor POV, POV Bro, Mr. POV Explainer. Every single upload, same two formats. That's not coincidence, that's the audience telling the algorithm what it wants. Most creators are still uploading with weak generic titles, so the competition is lower than it looks. Pick your format, lock it in. Now let's build the video. Step 1, topic generation. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt from the comments, hit generate, done. But here's the rule: never use the same prompt twice. Every time you generate, grab 2 or 3 titles from videos going viral right now and feed them back in. Same input, same output. Fresh input, fresh ideas. Step 2, the script. 2 prompts, 1 for each format. Your Life As scripts are level-based. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. No long intro, just straight in. The viewer is always wondering what's next. POV scripts go first person, direct, present tense. Paste your title, hit generate, script, done. Step 3, visuals. Google Whisk, free, and the quality looks like it cost actual money. Generate your main character first. This is the visual anchor for the entire video. Download it, then go to ChatGPT, paste the image prompt framework from the comments, add your script 1 paragraph at a time, not the whole thing, and get your visual prompts back. Take them into Whisk, switch to image mode, upload your character as the reference, paste the prompt, generate. The difference is immediate, consistent, and cinematic, and completely unique to your channel. Step 4, animation, Meta AI. Upload your image, ask ChatGPT to write a motion prompt based on that specific image, hit generate, your image is alive. Step 5, voiceover, 11 Labs. Pick your voice, paste the script, download, done in under a minute. Step 6, editing, CapCut. Drop the voiceover on the timeline first, then line up the visuals to the audio, trim anything that runs long, add a fade transition, add a color filter, export. Simple, clean, exactly how these channels do it. Step 7, thumbnail. 2 prompts, 1 for each format, paste your title into ChatGPT, take the output into Whisk, generate, and if the first result is off, tweak and go again until you would click it. Now, the numbers, because this is not theoretical. These channels run at $5 RPM or higher. Every 1,000 views, $5. At 800,000 to 1.2 million monthly views, you're pulling $4,000 to $6,000 a month, and it grows as the channel grows. No face, no luck, no expensive setup, just the right format, the right niche, and a repeatable system. That system is exactly what you just watched.